get back to the market. It's the start of a brand new week. Anuj is joining in now for a quick trade setup. Anuj, things are looking a bit sticky around that 22,000 mark. Do you think it could take some time for the market to get above that level convincingly?
Good morning, Sonia. Yes, indeed. And my sense is that there could be some more volatility. Last week, perhaps, was a teaser of things to come. It's a bit of a cleansing out phase which is happening in the market right now. And I think it's concentrated more towards the PSUs. Last week was first sign of that happening. Look at PFC, RVNL, SJV and NHPC. All these stocks were down 5 to 8% on Friday. And in fact, from the highs, some of these stocks have already lost about a quarter of the market cap. RVNL, for example, and even BEML. So while the larger trend is still up, a sharp correction perhaps is possible. And the reason for that also from the index point of view is Bank Nifty, because it's been very volatile, down 800 on Thursday, then up 600 on Friday, tested the 200-day moving average for a second time and again bounced back. Normally the third attempt of 200-day moving average is the one which breaks it. So it will be interesting to see if that happens. So there's more comfort in Nifty and Nifty IT compared to and Nifty Pharma compared to Bank Nifty. From here, of course, a lot of cues. Last week of earnings season starts today, and there's inflation data in India and US. So a lot of cues to watch out for. Brent crude is back up to $82, so that's a bit of a worry. But I'm watching out for US 10-year bond yield as well. We had spoken about it last week. It's made a golden crossover. The 50-day exponential moving average moving above the 200-day moving average. I think that's important to track. As of now, not hurting the US market, but still keep an eye. Also, keep an eye on the PSU earnings, because the stocks have moved up, the earnings have been quite poor, and this week a lot of PSU earnings come out. That list will come up for you on the screen. And lastly, coming to the Nifty outlook for the day. You start in the first resistance zone, which is 21,951 to 22,053, and then the bigger resistance, of course, is at all-time high of 22,126. The support comes in at 21,700 to 21,765, the 10 and 20-day exponential moving average, and then, of course, 21,600 to 21,650, last week's low. My sense is that the market will keep giving you two-sided moves this week as well.
All right, Anuj, thanks very much for that. We'll take a